In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and create a custom game here in Fortnite quick and easy. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, creating a custom game here in Fortnite uses something called a custom matchmaking key, which allows you to, match only with players who enter in the exact same key. So start off with the main play screen right here, and what you're going to want to do is go down from the main play screen just by scrolling down a little bit and select whatever game mode you want to go ahead and play. So let's say in this example, I just want to play standard battle royale. What I do is go ahead and hit this custom key option right here and type in whatever custom key I want. Now this is going to be the passcode that you give to your other friends, so keep that in mind. Essentially, go ahead and type in that passcode, and let's just say the custom key is Lacey, right? Because it does have to be someone who has a creator code. Go ahead and hit accept, and then go ahead and select your game mode, hit select, and then hit play. And it's going to begin loading you into a matchmaking with that custom key. If you get an error while trying to queue, try restarting Fortnite and entering in that custom key again. If it doesn't work, remove the key entirely and make sure normal matchmaking works first. But essentially, once you're in the queue, you need to give this passcode to the same people that you want to join, and they need to queue up with that exact same game mode. So if I selected Battle Royale Solo, they'd also need to select Battle Royale Solo and then put in that custom key. Now sometimes they also do have to be on the same matchmaking region as well, otherwise it will not work, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.